Let's go through some birthing ball techniques to use towards the end of pregnancy or during the first stage of labour. The goal of this is to provide movements throughout the pelvis and the lower back in the hopes that we're helping baby's head position more effectively onto the cervix, which is what's required to help continue and progress during labour or to kick off the beginning of labour. Pelvic tilts. Now, I personally will like a wide leg position here to feel more stable, and particularly if your belly is quite low at this stage, this would be more comfortable. Tilts involve a rolling forward, arching through the pelvis, and then a gentle rolling back and tucking the pelvis in. Now, you can roll as much or as little as you want with this, just ensuring that you feel nice and stable. And if I rotate, you'll be able to see roll forward, arch, roll backwards, curl. Roll forward, arch, roll backwards, curl. Pelvic circles are another good one to start with. And we're thinking of the pelvis moving in a circular motion out and around on the ball. So we're twisting to one side, letting the pelvis come forward, over to the other side, and back. And you want to keep these movements relatively slow and controlled and not rushing through them. Now again, you can change your leg position if it's more comfortable for you. You can minimize the amount that the ball is moving and really just work through the pelvis. It's whatever feels best for you. Figure 8 positions. Think of your pelvis moving in the shape of the number 8. We're going to roll forward, rotate, twist around, essentially just create movements forwards and backwards. Now you can slow this down and really exaggerate the movement through the spine. Or you can do what I was doing at the beginning and make the movement a little bit smaller and we'll move up. Now the side lunge is a great position used on the ball to keep you again nice and balanced, but we want to open up unevenly through the pelvis, again helping baby get wiggled into the best possible position. So legs starting wide, one leg reaching out, and we're going to lean to the side of the bent knee. Coming back, swapping the legs over, leaning over, coming in. And you can alternate your way side to side here, and go as far as you feel comfortable to. The birthing ball can also be used to relax onto, and now you can lean on top of it or sink down into a bit of a child's pose position, again depending on what your body feels like it needs. Now relaxing here could be a nice place to rest with gravity, or you could add little gentle rocks back and forwards, or tuck side to side of the pelvis.